the heart of East Africa, where rivers flow and wetlands stretch beyond the horizon, lives one of nature's strangest giants, a bird so rare, so prehistoric in appearance. This is the shoebill, the Africa's dinosaur bird. Standing up to 5 feet tall, with a wingspan stretching 8 feet, the shoebill commands attention. But what captures the eye most is its enormous beak, so broad, powerful, and shaped like a shoe, a living tool, evolved for one purpose: survival. A master of patience, it can remain motionless for hours. Its stillness cannot be fooled. It is pure strategy. In an instant, it explodes into motion. With deadly precision, the beak snaps shut. Few prey escape the shoebill's ambush. A single meal can be as large as a baby crocodile. It also feeds on frogs, water snakes, and Nile monitors. This is not a bird of grace. It is a bird of power. Yet, with all its strength, the shoebill's life is precarious. It builds its nest on floating vegetation, laying up to 3 eggs, but in most cases, only one chick will survive. The stronger nestling outcompetes the weaker, claiming food and care. It is nature's harsh rule, ensuring at least one survives the swarm's trials. According to the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN current estimate, there are 5,000 to 8,000 shoebill individuals remaining in the wetlands and swamps of East Africa and Central Africa. Uganda, Zambia, South Sudan, Democratic Republic of Congo, Tanzania, with a small population in Rwanda. The shoebill's challenges doesn't come from its rival or its prey. It comes from people. Wetlands are drained for farming. Some are captured for illegal pet trade, and in some cultures, these birds are feared as omens. But the shoebill is no monster. It is a survivor, an ancient sentinel of the wetlands. It makes sounds like a machine gun rattle, a reminder that this prehistoric giant still guards the Africa's waters. To protect the shoebill is to protect the swamps, the rivers, and the life that flows through Africa's heart.